Assalamu alaikum and a very good morning to all of you. How are you all doing? Great too? Good? That's very great. Yes, I'm also good. Alhamdulillah. Thank you and welcome to your numeracy class, right? So today we will be taking the third lesson of week number 15, right? Okay. So what's the unit we have started? Measurements. We are talking about the measurements, that how we can do the measurement of different things, right? And so far we have learned only about the length of an object. Wonderful. So can you tell me or can you define the length for me? What do you understand by the term length? Clap for Elise. Length means that how long an object is, right? Let's see, if I talk about the length of this marker, I want to know that how long this marker is, right? Similarly, if I talk about the length of this duster, I want to know that how long this duster is, right? So length basically tells us about that how long a particular thing is. In yesterday's class, we have also learned that how we can measure the length. And for that, I have drawn the ruler for you on the board and I showed you that how you can measure that. Let's see, I have this marker and I want to know the length of it. So I told you that you just hold the ruler like this. Put the marker starting from the zero. Its starting point should be at the zero. Then note the measurement exactly. So it tells me that this marker is 13.9 centimeter long, right? So we will be counting the lines which come or the points which come in between 2 centimeters. Let's say this is 1 and this is 2, and there are some small lines, small 10 lines in between 1 and 2. We will count those lines as well to know the exact measurement of the particular thing. Got it? Okay. So now let's watch the interesting video related to this measurement of length and then we will start with today's activity, okay? So I'm going to share the screen with you. Show me a thumbs up if it is visible to you or not. Is it visible? Excellent.
There was a boy, very sad. He was sitting on a stool, wondering how can he find out how big is his table. He actually wanted to find out the length, so he thought about a measuring tape. So he went to the table and stretched the measuring tape from one end to the other. And after sliding, he found out that the measuring tape said that his table was 9-inch wide. So that was the length that he found out. That's how you find out length.
Okay, interesting. See, they have talked about how to measure the length of bigger objects like the table, and for that, they have not measured the length of that in centimeters, basically in inches. And I told you the measuring ruler or the measuring tape that you have for measuring the length of something, on one side, the measurement is written in centimeters, and on the other side, it is written in inches. See, on your ruler as well, on one side, small word is written over here, INCH, inch, right? So on one side we measure the thing in inches and on the other side the small cm is written, which means centimeter. Got it? Okay. So the very interesting activity that we will be doing in today's class is that we will learn how we can draw different measurements together. So the very first thing is take out your rulers, take out your notebooks, prepare the page, write today's date, then put your ruler like this on your notebook. And we have learned this in our yesterday's class that if, when we want to draw a line or when we want to measure the length of something, what do we do basically? That we draw 2 points. Let's say I want to draw the length of 3 centimeter. I will draw a mark on 0 and the other one on 3. Now I will join these 2 points. So this is the line of 3 centimeter according to the ruler that all of you have. I'm using this ruler because all of you have this ruler with you, right? So that our measurements will be same. Now the next point is that put your ruler on the point where the 3 centimeter line ended, right? Right over here where it ended. Now again draw a line of 10 centimeter. Now this is your starting point and the ending would be on 10. Now join these 2 points. Now this is the length of 10 centimeter. Got it? Let me write 10 over here. Now, if I ask you to please continue with it and start from the ending point of 10 centimeter and draw a line of 4 centimeter more. So you will put your ruler again on the ending point of 10 centimeter and put another mark on 4. Now join these two dots. So this is a line of 4 centimeter. Now what I want you is to add these three lengths or these three measurements. What we are doing, we are learning that how we can measure the length, right? So let's write them. 3 centimeter plus 10 centimeter plus 4 centimeter. And this is equal to 3 plus 10 makes 13 plus 4, 17. This means that this line is a total of 17 centimeter. Got it? So this is how we can do the different operations, or this is how we can measure the length of different things together. Got it? Now let's learn something more. Let's say I have a length of 5 meter and I want to double it. There is this length and I told you, let's say this is a line which is of 5 meter long, and I ask you to find the double of it. So how will you find the double? We are already done with number operation, so we can use that to find the double. How will we find the double? I will multiply 5 with 2, and 5 times 2 is 10. This means the double of this length would be 10 meter, right? Similarly, let's say I ask you that there is this line which is 24-meter long. Please find the 1/4 of it. 1/4 means 1/4 of it. So how will you find the 1/4 of it? You will divide 24 with 4. So the method that we used for division was that we will start subtraction, right? 24 minus 4, 20, minus 4, 16, minus 4, the answer is 12, minus 4, the answer is 8, minus 4, the answer is 4, and again minus 4, the answer is 0. How many times we have subtracted? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This means that when we divide 24 with 4, the answer is 6. So 1/4 of 24 is 6 meter. So this is how we will be using the number operations as well while finding the lengths of different objects, right? Got it? Now I want all of you to please open your book page number 78. This is 78. Now over here it says that solving problems involving length. Now the activity that we have practiced over here, a similar activity is given in your book. What is that? All of you have opened your notebooks? Okay, wonderful. Now first draw a length of 3 centimeter. How will you draw that? You will start from 0, put a point at 0 and then at 3, and then join the two dots. Draw a line of 3 centimeter first. Let me know when you are done. And give these 2 points the name, like this is A and this is B. This is the second point. Now starting from B, draw a line of 5 centimeter and give the next point the name of C. Done? Now starting from C, draw a line of 7 centimeter and give the next point name of D. Let me know when you are done. Now what you are supposed to do, you are supposed to find what is the answer of AB plus BC plus CD. What is the answer of this? So we will write their values. AB is 3 centimeter, BC is 5 centimeter, and CD is 7 centimeter. So we will add them together, 3 plus 5 plus 7, and we will take a common of centimeter. Now 3 plus 5, 8 plus 7, 15. This means this length is a total of 15 centimeter. This is how we do it, or this is how we measure it together, right? Now there is this question, let's do that. Shella is 125 centimeter tall and her son is 16 centimeter shorter. Let me erase the board first. Okay. The question says, what is the length of Shella? She is 125 centimeters short. And her son is 16 centimeters shorter. What is her son's height? He is 16 centimeters shorter. This means that we will subtract 16 from 125. 125 minus 16. Now over here we will use the rules of subtraction. First write the values. Can we subtract 6 from 5? No. This is a question of borrowing. 1 and this returns to 15. 15 minus 6. What is the answer of 15 minus 6? 9. 1 minus 1, 0. And 1 over here. This means that the height of Shaila's son is 109 centimeter. Got it? Was this interesting? Wonderful. Do practice these questions at your home as well. Try to make some more lines. You can take some random measures or let me give you a homework. Okay. Note down these measures. You're supposed to draw a line and then find the total of that. First should be of 4 centimeter. Second should be of 9 centimeter. And third should be of 5 centimeter. And a second one is first should be of 5 centimeter. Second should be of 3 centimeter. And fourth should be of 8 centimeter. And then add them up and tell me what are the answers. Note them down on your notebook. This is your home assignment. Hurry up. All of you are done. Okay, that was all for today. Hope you guys enjoyed the lecture. Do practice it at your home and share this video with others because it's free learning. I'll be seeing you tomorrow. Take care. Allah Hafiz.